Conkers camping and caravan site. Plenty of spaces. The panoramic view. And there's ours. And just up here, we're not far away from the facilities block, as you can see there.
The walk just beside Conkers Camping and Caravan Club site. Milo, Mike, Fergie, Babyface Assassin.
And this is the place just beside Conkers. It seems to be like, I think it's National Forest, and it seems to be a cycle way, which I think it is near here. Some information there. And over here. Oh, nice.
Hold on.
Conkers Camping Caravan site. Entrance going on to the reception area. We're already here, so just thought I'd show you this bit. And just up to the entrance, you can see there, come into focus, the reception area. And there's the start of the site. Children's play area there, nobody on it, so can't see it. I didn't dare say anything, but clearly Lindsay's gone down the one-way system there. You can see all of them just possibly coming into view there. Nice little pitch, fairly quiet, not far away from the facilities. Yeah, nice little place. I think it's a place where the motorbikers come to. Over there. Lovely morning.
Right, this is Moira Furnace. This is part of the proud heritage of Derby for its mines. Now become a walking route.
nice peaceful area, isn't it?
The entire, well used, isn't it?
Yeah.
By
It's
ordinary
well
people.
done. Still on the area of Furness Falls. Just walking around the perimeter of the canal. Again, quite stunning really. Really peaceful as well. Oh, there's a few people knocking around now, but relatively peaceful. Hopefully our van will be available soon. And we're all shined up, looking like new.